If you enjoy envisioning yourself in a sitcom, Collegiate Clarendon Street Nottingham is the perfect place for you. The property offers studio apartments where each room is fully furnished and comes with a comfortable bed, a bedside table, a dedicated study area, ample storage space, a private bathroom, and a personal kitchen. To maintain your work-life balance, Collegiate Clarendon Street offers a collection of social spaces including peaceful study area, exciting communal events, fun party rooms, and on-site laundry facility. Need to wake up early to reach your classes on time as elite universities like Nottingham Trent International College and Nottingham Trent University are just a walk away. The property is also surrounded by amazing cafes and bars like Tortilla Clumber Chamber, where you can have a drink of happiness anytime you want. Or you can comfort yourself with your comfort food on a rainy day. And if you are worried about travel expenses, then don't worry because the nearest bus stop is Angel Row, a one-bus stop at walking distance from the property, including Beast Market Hill, stop B1, which is just a drive away from the property. It's your story, you can write it the way you always wanted at Collegiate Clarendon Street, Nottingham. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.